Hello, and welcome to our TED Talk about Eosinophils, the pyromaniac of the body, by Cyle, Havel, Erin, Malone, Lynne, Hookfin. The early life of an eosinophil is just like any other one. It starts as a pluripotent hematopoietic stem cell in the bone marrow, which then differentiates into a common myeloid progenitor or a common lymphoid progenitor. This then differentiates into a granulocyte or macrophage progenitor. The granulocyte then differentiates again into neutrophils, basophils, monocytes, and of course, eosinophils. Once the eosinophils are fully mature, they will migrate into the bloodstream, waiting for an inflammation response.
Eosinophils are a type of granulocyte, along with neutrophils and basophils. They contain granules of toxic proteins, which are released to kill pathogens. Their anatomy is important to their function because the granules are released. This allows them to target cells much larger than themselves, such as parasites. Compare this to phagocytes, which can only destroy what they can eat.
It's important to note that individuals who have asthma, allergies, or parasitic infections will have elevated levels of eosinophils. Eosinophils can perform phagocytosis, but it is very minimal. They are namely known for utilizing secreted mediators, such as cytotoxic granules. The mechanism starts in the tissue of the body and not inside of a cell since it's extracellular. First, the parasite must be coated in specific antigens so that eosinophils can recognize to attack it. Once the eosinophils has its target in sight, it will bind to these antigens and begin destroying the parasite. It does this by releasing specific granules and enzymes that are toxic to the parasite's cell membrane. Think of eosinophils as someone setting the forest on fire. They are not cutting the trees down themselves, but using something to destroy the trees from the outside to the inside. After enough toxic granules have been released, the parasite dies and the body ceases to live another day.